so I am back today to talk to you about another awesome graphic novel that's available on Hoopla, and that graphic novel is called New Kid, and it's by Jerry Craft. I'm going to read that teaser text, and then I will talk to you about what I really enjoyed about this book. 7th grader Jordan Banks loves nothing more than drawing cartoons about his life. But instead of sending him to the art school of his dreams, his parents enroll him in a prestigious private school known for its academics, where Jordan is one of the few kids of color in his entire grade. As he makes the daily trip from his Washington Heights apartment to the upscale Riverdale Academy Day School, Jordan soon finds himself torn between two worlds and not really fitting into either one. Can Jordan learn to navigate his new school culture while keeping his neighborhood friends and staying true to himself? So the first thing I really like about this graphic novel is the art style. Craft does a really good job pulling your readers in and helping them see how his main character Jordan feels. So again, we see kind of the bulk of the action happening, but then every now and then we have breaks where Jordan illustrates a whole page in this notebook that he carries with him all day because Jordan loves to draw. And you get to see how Jordan creates his own comics and his own graphic novel within the graphic novel itself. I also really enjoyed getting to know Jordan as the novel progressed. There was this overall conflict of Jordan being one of the only black kids or any sort of diverse kids at this very fancy day school. But there's also the struggles that the other characters face too. And we kind of see this through Jordan's point of view, and Jordan starts to learn that everybody has struggles and all of those struggles are valid and we need to talk about them. I think my favorite part about this book, though, is that it doesn't shy away from talking about hard topics. It directly addresses issues of racism within the school. It directly addresses issues of classism in the school, where people are treated differently because of their how much money they have, or what their parents do for a job. And it also doesn't shy away from showing the problems that some students have in their seemingly perfect lives. Jordan interacts with a lot of other students who are from families that have a lot of money, but they also still have some of the same everyday concerns that everyday folks have. And really, all of these issues are talked about in a way that's very accessible, and it helps us relate and understand. Overall, this is a really great book for anybody to read because anybody can relate to the experience of moving to a new place and having to make new friends and feeling left out. But it's also an excellent window for readers who may not understand what it's like to grow up as a person of color, especially as a person of color in an environment where there aren't a whole lot of folks like you. Jordan's experiences at his new school and the way he grows as a character can help all readers learn lessons about acceptance and kind of questioning your assumptions that you make about other people, and your own personal biases and how those biases may impact other people. This book is accessible on Hoopla if you have a Rolling Hills Library card, and you can just head there and search New Kid, and it is the only book that shows up after you search for it. You can borrow it on a device or on your computer, and you have full access to the whole graphic novel, which is an awesome read. Thanks so much.